I can fight you almost any day. I'll throw you in a trash bin just like what I did in the other video. And I'll throw you and drop you. Oh yeah, he's gonna do the same thing. Throw him in the trash bin. Yeah. And throw you two. And not you three, because you are stupid. Ah! What? Well, that was so unleashed. But at least we're gonna kill them. No! No! First punishment. Claw. Pretend this is a claw. Okay? No. No, 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 no. Second punishment. All the fears in your minds and get put in the fridge one by one. No. A few hours later. Third punishment. Getting put in the freezer. No, 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 not us, no! Final punishment. Oh wait, not the final punishment, but fourth punishment. Getting thrown in the box. No. 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 And sixth punishment. No, fifth punishment. Getting thrown in the trash bin. Crap, gone forever. No, no, no. Sixth punishment. Death by cotton swab. No. No. Punishment. Getting thrown in the box. No. No. Eighth punishment. Soap in the eyes. No. No. 10th punishment. Sink. No. Oh my god, it's hot, 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 hot. Eleventh punishment. Soap. No. Twelfth punishment. Getting thrown in that cup. No. Go. Holy crap. I'm not floating. I'm gone forever. Toolbox is dead now. No punishment. Getting thrown. No. No. This is basically a rip-off to Intersection 00's video. You're welcome.